So let's say you have a couple of customers and they buy a lot. So you have a high-end product, or you have a product they buy a lot and they keep buying, and you have special price for people that buys a lot. So what you can do is the following. So where's the thing? Oh, here. So let's say this is your company. You have customers. You have two customer, repeated customer, and you have normal customer. They come once at a time, right? So these are customer that buys every time. So let's say this one comes and buy for the second time, and you want to say, hey, listen, because you're a normal customer and you're becoming a regular customer, repeated customer, we have a special policy for you. That means because you're buying a lot, you don't have to pay a lot. So what you can do is you can send them a letter, say, hey, we have a special price for you, we have a special policy for repeat customers, and this is what you can put into the letter. So we're going to discuss this situation, what you can send them in order to get more sales. So let's look at it. We're going to start first with the subject. So see, subject, oh no, forget this, subject. And remember, it all depends on you. It depends how you want to make it. We're going to send an email to the customer. Keep that in mind. So special pricing policy for repeat buyers. Yeah. So I think that's a good title. So you start with the name, like with everything. And then you say, dear name. Yeah, let's keep it with dear name. Okay, I'm gonna write the first paragraph and then we're gonna discuss it. Make sure that yeah, this is right? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna write the first paragraph, then we talk about it, and then the second one. Yep. So yeah, you can start by saying, okay, when someone places the same order or is becoming a repeat customer, you can send them this letter. So I just received your first repeat order for our product. Thank you. As I indicated, when you place your order, our product is a big favorite with discriminating buyers. That means we have normal buyers and we have regular buyers or repeat buyers. Doesn't matter how you call them. Yeah. So let's continue to the second part. So you start indicating what you're going to say. Okay, so let's look at it. Before I fill your order, I want you to be aware of a special pricing policy for repeat buyers. So you're telling them, okay, listen, hey, we have a special price policy for repeat buyers. This is for products. Huh? You can also use this for service, but you need to change the product to service and change the template into something more like services, because with services you don't have shipments. Keep that in mind. Yeah. So you can say, if you order this much amount in one shipment, we can give you this much discount. Because when you put a lot of product into one shipment, it can save. You just have to pay only for one shipment. You don't have to pay for every shipment. So every time the thing has to be shipped. So yeah, if you order amount or more of our product in any combination of style and take them all in one shipment, so you see this is the condition, you may deduct this much percentage from your wholesale price. So you give them discount. Yeah, it doesn't have to be difficult. Just think about it. Okay, if they order everything at the same time, how much discount can I give those people, right? So let's go to the next one. Yeah, I'm gonna write this next one and then we're gonna discuss it. Okay. Let me get the signature. So I will talk about the last part that you just wrote. Where can I get the signature? Did I copy it? No, I didn't. Yeah. So we have the signature. Yeah, look nice, right? Nice letter. So it looked nice. So we talk about they get discount if they meet the requirements here, and here you're trying to convince them, okay, we already established a trust with you when you bought the product, and a lot of people find the product good. So yeah, let's read it. Let me change this one. When I change this, it means when you have the template, this is how you can adjust the template. You have already seen how well our product are received, and this special pricing gives you the opportunity to experiment with other design and models. So if you have a product and you have a lot of things in your if you have, let's say, one product and you sell a lot of other products, you can use this in order to sell also those other products at a discounted price. And when people experiment with these products, it's easy for them to buy more from you. So my experience that our novelty line include the products and products model sells very well with the audience that appreciate unique style. It depends what kind of products you have, and here I would change it because it depends what kind of products you have. If you talk about this, please call me before you schedule your shipment date of the date if you want to take advantage of a volume buyer discount plan, and thanks again for your business. Simple, right? So you see this letter, you started out something simple, create a condition when they get a discount, and if they meet the requirements of the condition, then you give them discount, give them a reason why they should trust you, and if they have question or if they're going to place an order, how they can contact you. So simple. Special pricing for pricing policy for repeat buyers. Most of the time people will put this on the list and they assume that the buyers will read it. People don't read that. Only if they see, okay, I can get benefits from it. So if you have a question about it, just go in the Law Center. The link is on the screen or in the description, and there you can ask me a question about this, how you can use this letter.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be great.